Hello, Lincoln County. I hope you're all healthy and staying safe. My name is Jamie Setzer, and I work at the Lincoln County History Room at the Charles R. Jonas Library. I'm on here today to let you know that the Ancestry Library Edition is free and available at home until April 30th, as far as we know. To get to Ancestry Library Edition, you will put in our website, and once you get there, you'll actually scroll down till you see the Ancestry Library Edition website link. Now, if I clicked on it, it would actually take me straight to it because I'm at the library. It recognizes our server. It just takes me straight through there. If you're at home or any other location, it'll actually take you to a logon screen. And you'll have to put in your library card number and your password. So, of course, your library card number is on the back side of your library card. The PIN number should be the last four of your phone number. If you don't have a card, we are issuing temporary cards if you call in, which would give you access to all of our online resources as well as allow you to participate in our curbside service for physical books, audiobooks, and DVDs. You will have to provide an address, a current phone number, and an email address. If you have any problems with the logon process, you can call one of our local library branches, such as the Charles R. Jonas branch or the Shanklin branch. The West Lincoln branch is not open, so all of their calls are getting routed to the Jonas branch. But once you get into the Ancestry.com Library Edition, you can actually start searching if you know a specific person that you're looking for, or you can just do quick links and you can just explore. You can go to the pictures and look through maybe passenger ships and images or anything that they have on here. So really there is a huge amount of information on here to explore. But once you hit begin searching, you can actually go straight to the card catalog. That's all the records that Ancestry Library Edition has. It is a ton of records that you can just go crazy browsing through. And I know we're all looking for something to do right now. This is a perfect time to actually pay attention to genealogy, to ancestry, to actually realizing where your people came from, who they are, finding out more information about your heritage. If you have any questions about genealogy research, you can call and ask for me, Jamie Setzer, and I would be happy to try and assist you in your search. Thank you. Again, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.